This is the way we make paper aeroplane according to Matt. As we've just discovered, he's not very good, he says. But
pressure's on. Okay.
Pressure's on.
I'm going to fold in half first, I believe. And make corners at the top, I believe.
Matt has been through some intensive training.
As you can see, I'm clearly a pro. Yes, it is.
Making a nice crease there, are we?
Yes. You've got to get the squeak on the crease.
Oh, the amount of tension and focus that's going into this as well.
So I want to get it
Vital,
right, that's why.
This is vital.
I continually got it wrong.
No, you're going well, right?
Got it wrong again.
No, yeah.
It's made paper, gee.
Everyone watching this must be bored of their lines.
No, I think there's quite a tension in this. I want to see whether it flies now.
Final one, here we go.
Pretty well.
He's done it!
There, he wasn't as bad as he said. Now you've got to see if it flies. Ready? Ready?
Maybe bends. Is it bend the edges up slightly? Just to give it...
No, it's fine, it's fine.
Fling it.
Good, go.
And...
Hey.
Yay! There. Paper airplane making 101 with Matt. Brilliant.